Special Olympics is important in Waco ISD because we want all of our students to feel included. We started out with the basketball game some years back before COVID, and everybody that's attended that game is always really excited, wants to see what other sports we can start up.
Good sir!
We're having Special Olympics practice, and we have 5 different levels of tennis. The first level is skills, where the kids just get balls tossed to them and they hit them over the net.
It is really cool to watch our students that are enrolled in our special ed classes and interact with our students in our general education classes. You can see even our toughest football players have the softest hearts when they're on the basketball court.
Seeing these people out here being so active and having fun, it's very nice to see. It's very enjoyable, and I don't know, it's a good feeling to come and play with these people.
And it really shows them that we can all be different in our own way, but deep down inside, we're all the same.
So at the end of the day, this sport is really just about having fun, and we kind of have to teach them that not everything is as serious as it needs to be. You know, it's okay to have fun.
If you have a chance to come out and volunteer with the Special Olympics group, whether it's tennis or any other sport, come do it. It'll be the highlight of your day.